Hello, welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to talk about how to replace first alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. So the first step before replacing will be to turn off the power from the main electrical panel breaker. So go to the panel and turn it off, whichever labels as a smoke detector or carbon monoxide detector, and then you can turn it off. Now, once the power is off, you need to twist the unit and it opens up. So now when you open it up, you will see on the top, there is an adapter that goes into the unit. So in this, if you see, there is a clip that holds the adapter in one place. So to remove the adapter, you will need to use a screwdriver, and I already did it just to make the video shorter. And now if you are buying the same brand and the same type of alarm, then you can simply remove this unit and plug in the newer one. But if you're buying a brand new or a different brand, or the adapter is newer in the newer models because they change every few years, then you will need to change the sealing plate and then the adapter as well. So this, where the wiring has to be changed, is recommended to be done by certified electrician. So once that's performed, and then you can complete the replacement. But if you're just completing the replacement of the unit, then just install the new one, plug it in, and then you can just push it to the ceiling and then twist. And once it's done, make sure you press the test button to reset all the units. And thank you for watching. Hope this video helped you to fix your problem. Please subscribe to the channel and follow for more. Thank you.